Hey guys, welcome to my mukbang. You have probably seen empty mukbang. Now it's my turn to do it. We have burrito, hot dog, pizza, and Pepsi. Alright, here we go. Alright, the burrito did not taste that bad. I think I like it. It is good, but not that delicious. Now let's go with a hot dog. Okay, why does the hot dog gives me PTSD vibes? Oh, thank God, Randy, you saved my life. Okay, looks like we have reached the end of the video. Remember to never do mukbang, because 3D is disturbing. See you later.